me with that step mirror. Step mirror with that. Step mirror with step.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
So, Paris, Uncle Murphy will go on there. So, we're going to do a little cooking video for you today. I don't know Uncle Murphy or chef it up for we fast and quick. Yeah. Show them all go on there, Daddy. Bright, sunny, but me just feel like the rain out for come down. So, Uncle Murphy, which wood you using right there?
We're using some
sweet wood.
Sweet wood.
You're not
No,
dealing with the
not sweet wood. Harsh wood.
That one is sweet like a sugar.
Yes.
You step on the pipe, you burst the pipe. So, you're going to shape up something. So, what happened this one now? You just put on the pot.
Just put on the pot.
Young smoke.
Young smoke, yes.
Yeah.
So,
young smoke. Show them the young smoke.
Blaze, man.
Yeah, so the young smoke too. So,
yes.
you have to tell them what you're cooking and make them stick around.
So, I'll cook some banana, dumpling, and
you have to cook a young breadfruit.
Yeah, a young breadfruit.
Yeah, and what is salty?
And you have to stir up some mackerel.
Some tin mackerel because
tin mackerel,
yeah. 1, 2, 3 happened today, you know. So we have to cook some real Jamaican food, you know.
Yeah.
But the 3 ladies them slap it up on the track here today. How are them the Japan, Dad?
Somewhere about there.
Somewhere about the place wherever the
Olympics.
Yeah,
there.
so we have cooked the real deal. Because the real deal is the Jamaican food. Dumpling and tin mackerel.
Dirty girl you call.
Well, so you can put in the shell now.
Yeah.
Bubble patter bubble. So, as usual, Uncle Murphy, you're going to put in the brush of them. Alright, when me there start deal with the flour. How we say flour, you know, my girl them take it 1, 2, 3, you know, this morning. So, we have to cook 2 strong Jamaican caramel dumpling, right? So, you see that this right there. We have like a careless looking salt here. Well, a shoe salt, you know, shoe salt so dirty. So it go. That's how it go. We not go dead, we live. We are country people. Yeah, salt look away, but I don't know. I'm a single man thing. That's a single man rule. Me wash off at my hand now. And come we start need flour. So I so. Alright, so I know the drill Uncle Murphy I deal with the breadfruit and something. And me over here so, and that me over here do. You understand, Parry? We are make some flour dumpling and caramel dumpling and look nice already. Yeah, water done. Let's see if this can mix the flour now. When you're expert flour mixer, you know so if you want more water, yes or no, no so? Yeah. Uncle Murphy, you're rather silent. Murphy, I do it. Uncle Murphy, we want to cook the cod and the corn. What you say?
Right, man. Right thing that.
Yeah. You have to deal with the shoe. You have to have a catty. You don't want none curry?
You have to get a catty, you know.
You have to get a catty. I think this alright, you know, Uncle Murphy.
When you get a catty, you don't know where it go.
But when you drink the cod and the soup, it now asks if you get a catty. I tell you if you go get a catty.
Where is the curry? Eh?
Alright, Barry, so we are need up with flour. So we don't think, what kind of them, you know, say, I don't wrong mackerel, there. But you never look. If you know, if you say jack mackerel, alright.
Only that them have.
We start it out, yeah. Alright?
Ginny mackerel that.
Ginny.
Ginny mackerel. I know jack.
Country cooking, dumpling in, brush full brush them so we can't take too long. If we put in the dumpling, and the dumpling then can cook together. And the breadfruit then we cook out and mash out left there. The dumpling in a fire and the breadfruit then full. Sun warm today do Indy?
Yeah. Yeah man. Really?
Oh, look for food. I forget, I will get to pick 2 breadfruit already before we go. Breadfruit there, you know, Parry?
Sure, must have a pick breadfruit.
You want to pick breadfruit?
Yeah.
Breadfruit there, innumerable. I eat the breadfruit from already, I kind of break off for them. And then just I go ripe off, eh? Kind of body now pick them. They want rice and flour, brother. So, dumpling in. And the pot I go want a little stir. You know, someone want some bush we carry down. Oriela and St. Vincent plum. I'm going to show you when I look the Oriela and the St. Vincent steak. St. Vincent then call it St. Vincent steak, we call it St. Vincent plum. Terence, I coconut tree, they'll put it from over there. Look on it as way. You see? Look like it have pure coconut.
Pure coconut.
Yes, sir. Uncle Murphy, where your spoon? Alright, me I go feed spoon, Parry. Me soon come.
Sorry.
Yeah. Stir him up. We don't want the dumpling and stick. You see the full breadfruit is so easy. Right away, then I soak water, you know. Yeah, some people might understand, some don't understand. So we are dealing with some breadfruit and dumpling and banana. We are cook up look. Them done a jack mackerel, a dirty girl. Yeah. Next clip.
It's supposed to cook out.
You want straight, like you want straight. Burn you.
Oh, hold on there.
Banana time.
Yeah, banana going in.
Breadfruit I drop or what? Or coconut?
So Uncle Murphy, where you do that? Then Dad, all the water that come out of that, the water in the tank down. And in pipe I drip around this. So.
Just there, no, you know, drip.
Yes, look back, turn on and look. It's dripping.
Then look at water in the tank while run, man.
But normally never that dripping.
When are the pipeline?
Yeah.
The pipeline.
Parry, Mr. I'm not drinking red stripe beer. It's Dad's beer. Me I want for him. Come Dad, take your beer. That me I want that red stripe for him. Uncle Murphy, where's your stripe?
See it right there.
Yeah, they must celebrate the 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I celebrate it too.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. I got in sugar gone for pepper. We have to pepper up the mackerel, see? Uncle Murphy, everybody to them own individual pepper, because Daddy can't eat no pepper. We have to pepper, but we not no wash. Did they not make no wash? We have tongue, but we should have mixed it tongue for a long time. We have mixed up tongue, man, because we have cocoa water, yeah, man. And we have juice jug. Yeah. And we have cocoa leaf for drink water.
We have water. Yeah.
Yeah. And we have water in our fridge and chill.
We have chocolate leaf too.
We have chocolate. Remember we drink out that chocolate leaf and the cocoa leaf, you know? Yeah. And we in a butchery here. No, we in a kitchen with it. This is the kitchen, right, Uncle Murphy?
Yeah.
This is the kitchen, yeah.
Right.
But you don't watch what is going on and all that is happening. This is just the rough work of the kitchen and all of that. Don't show them the butchery, but we're already in a butchery already, yeah? And now we're in a kitchen, so I don't know what I'm going to go on. But right now, in the kitchen with the rough work, same way. And all of that. I want to say thank you, Paris, just for making the Debbie Debs train continue to roll, even though sometimes from the past few weeks, as I told you, we're not getting none of them content here. But as I told you, we were like up and about, getting some things together. We like, it's just a whole lot. If you're building a house, you know what it is and all of that. So thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Keep on watching the older videos them. We are come with content. Content I can start roll, man. Right, Uncle Murphy?
Right.
Sometimes we slow down because, you know, things get a bit sticky.
We are building on it.
Yeah, man. We are work, man. We come, you know. I said here. We come and St. Mary. And you think we don't come here, man. We come, but
the holidays up on us.
Yeah, man. We're not putting no camera up on us. The straight business we are dealing with. You know, from the hardware to the home, getting things started out, all of that. And so, but we are here. We're there today and the day nice and all of that, and we are cook local food. But right now, you know, we are trying to sort out some little things that it is gonna get a little easier now as we come along. Cause look here, me I tell you the truth, me not come every day come catch the wood fire around this and the smoke burn me here, you know. Not a lie. We are get some little refining done. That when we come, we can in a kitchen here, so watch child TV, right, Corey?
Yes, sir.
And a cook, and we have a stove over there,
Yes,
so,
sir.
and we have all some AC
Yes,
in here.
Right.
And all of that.
Also, we should have about Shelly and them.
Yeah, man, we should have a real thing, but we're going to celebrate Shelly and Sherry
Oh,
and
yes,
Elaine.
sir.
We're celebrating post and also how we do it. A beer things, a beer something. Next clip. Alright, no worry. So, Uncle Murphy, you fix up this whole thing?
I fix up the salt.
You going to fix up this whole thing? Show them the pepper, them. Because, Dad, we are going to work out the pepper with Dad now, Uncle Murphy.
We'll take out film after we...
You take cook it up and then take up film and then we pepper up.
Pepper up.
Alright. Alright, Daddy, make everybody know your pepper story. Town and country, parish and yard, and all of that. Sit down, yeah, so every drink that drinking, give me beer for a while. But make sure you tell him I didn't think I'm here. I don't drink no beer. I just drink one little red stripe lemon. I like the taste side. That's it that I show on it there. Me I hold that beer feel. And that I want beer, the 3/4 bottle of beer, yeah, move like I go back on heels. So what? Yeah. So. Eh.
I cold though.
Flash out.
Country thing that, man.
One more?
That good, man. Yeah.
Yes, God.
Sorry, we are cook the food, but like this food, but this is, you know, some memories just come back right here. As a little girl growing up, you know. My brother when me fall, I want next one, three of them always walk away, you know. And you know, daddy I wait for them for come in, you know, mama got a market. It's a little back then story, you know. Memories. More than evil story. And my wait for them for come in, you know, because I want them to come to go carry water and look good enough if you cook something and them don't come. So when me see the smaller one, the one that me fella come, see my walker come in, so hear daddy too. Because my father did have some ways, some just different style, you know. Hear him now, come on now, because I'm concerned you must pack it. Now come on now, pack it. And get yourself right inside here and walk decent like a decent little boy should. And see I cook some food and left inside here. You go and take it up. But he's not supposed to get none, you see. So me a quit my eye to the boy to tell him say no food, no cooking, no. Big idiot. Come in through the dining room in there. So man, my father. You see I'll chew them the gully over there, so anytime you see me after you don't when you mean I'm prime, don't run. Do that, then all your father not talk it to. You never hear your father talk it. Don't run from him. Because you can't run fast on him. Just stand up. Make him catch you and take the beating. Because you could have he must yo. You see by the time him come in, Jesus, you see when daddy, because you know say daddy did bigger.
Yes, man.
You see when daddy go so yam. At that time I realize say no food no in there. Along me a queen say. Food no in there no. You want to see my try about him I walk decently too, you know. You see when daddy hold him. The time about maybe about 14. You see when daddy hold him, daddy grab him in a so you know. and hold him, you know. One hand, you know. Because Parry, my father was an old butcher, you know. Because my father strong, you know. When I say strong, him have the strength about 3 good sized man. And daddy, they don't know your grandfather to curry. And daddy hold him in a so, you know, Uncle Murph. Man. And hold him so, you know. He just flip him over, you know, and have him on the belly, you know. And he just go so, you know. And take out the little bust me cock, you know. Pull out the little pants in that time, no boy, in that all 14 in our way, yo. Me I tell you, man. Oh, God, man.
Then, but if you are right, then, but you roast one in the with the man.
Oh, my God.
You must learn to stay in the yard. But me, I said, you know, then I blame me, you know. Hey, I the whole evening that I ball, you know. Because they sit there with that touch, you know. You know? You know, me I tell you some man. But me I said to myself, say, oh, you for make that catch you. That could catch me. From your ear, the man I tell us if you walk and come right in here like a decent boy, a little boy, and walk decent. You are a decent little boy, and they're about a treat and walk up and down. You know a trick that. See me, you know. But me have to know me I do too, you know. Because my father fast, he quick, you know. You can't make him say you wink after him, you know. Although him now go beat me still, but you don't know what will happen. Me a winking at the boy, fooling. See by the time he tap it, you know if you can carry water and look good.
Judge
and yeah, come in if you can take a food, your head now click and know your pooper. A little back there story, Parry. Alright, we have the shots. Wow, banana then soft, Uncle Murph. Wow, nana soft, man. Dad, I better take too much breadfruit because you poop up yourself. You're good like this? You know why you poop up yourself. Alright, Uncle Murph. Alright, Uncle Murphy, I saw some gravy down in there, so we want the full jack mackerel down in there now, you know. So, this is for Uncle Murphy. Shoe say, I feel left him in iPad. Parry, Shoe is a man where him not eat now. Him say him not cook again, so he want to feed dinner. But enough there for eat now eat dinner time. But what me I go do? When I time when Shoe things say, me gone in a vehicle. Me got up and come round and come take up his pot. I want to come back and take away pot. I'm making the he asked me pot.
Nah, buy rough show food like him.
No, me now buy show food like our keen though. You don't want 2 dumplings?
Yeah, 2 dumplings.
Alright, Uncle Murphy the chef. Shove it up. Clean pretty food. Big up yourself, Uncle Murph. We don't cook dirty food around here.
No, not at all. It's very clean and pretty.
Yeah, curry now. We are going to this curry here. Based upon this.
Yeah, we don't cook dirty food.
No, cook workless food. No cure the thing. We fix it up, make it look good, right? Yeah, man. We fix it up, make it look proper. Not the best of mackerel.
You don't get none for them picnic?
No, them picnic can't get none of these terrains. None of time for you walk with no mackerel from country to town. No, not this time. Them no one. Well, maybe Jerry would have wanted to be full of the smoke. No, me never look about enough.
Smoke mackerel then.
Besides, Corey, you want all the breadfruit to win up yourself, brother?
Yeah, because we use sweet
Come take up your fat. This is General Corey. Come, Corey. Alright, Parry, me I take out for myself now. Uncle Murphy. Yeah. So me I left nothing in that show. Can't come take out some now eat some for later. Because I don't know him can't tear him no one. Look like him a man funny, you know. So. Me nah, him a man. I just saw him see. You see like how you see him just drink that the Guinness. Him good, you know. Boy, me I taste piece more of the bread. Me like the breadfruit still, you know. And a mama kind of breadfruit this do curry. No man, fear one water, fear spring out like chocho. Me know you know them something there. Parry comment and tell me what kind of breadfruit you eat if you eat boiled breadfruit. Mama no cater for this. And them a kind of breadfruit me like and if you full of toast. Sure. Sure. But sure. Why me no know when the bread me a cover up him, man. And you see him drink the Guinness there, you know. I done work down the place. Parry. To God be the glory. God is good. God is great. Gentlemen, let us thank him for lunch. Amen. We run a kitchen. I show with them. Show them. Yeah. Show it to them, Dad.
Yeah. Having lunch.
Yes, the curry I eat lunch.
Yeah. Yeah, the way drinks there. So, if I'm one breadfruit, I have to get for roast. You know, I'm not breadfruit down the yard, you know. I never care about breadfruit. Now, I'm just one.
I don't want to be careful.
No, breadfruit.
See all the pepper, yeah? Nice with the mackerel.
Yeah, pepper nice.
Watch me on it.
Our seasoned pepper this, you know.
Yes, man, I see the
Yeah,
pepper.
a seasoned pepper this. Good pepper this.
Watch me on it, Barry.
With my one them, I find one little piece. Eat up on my dumpling. One little crumbs.
Sit here, Barry. The pepper went nice. Season. Yeah.
Mackerel can't eat without pepper, man.